Hello everyone. So in our last lecture we discussed about the lab sheet 2. So now in this video I will discuss about the lecture sheet 3. My name is Mohammad Faisal Shuman and my ID is 2017 1 6 zeros and 12. So uh, there is in lab sheet 3 uh, we have to do the differentiation, the graphical user interface, which is called GUI, and more on. So let's start. The From beginning, there is the differentiation. So the details you will see in the lab sheet. Uh, so now the MATLAB code for the differentiation is uh, as previous video I mentioned, I will not write the code here, so the video will get lengthy, so I will cut the typing session and so move on to the uh, okay. So writing the code, we have to first uh, the create the script menu. So I I have to again change the location of this, so it will be like my another, so it will be here. Select the folder, so it will be saved as mm, I think it will be good to call GUI, as it will we'll discuss about the graphical interface. So the GUI saved it. Now the code for differentiation is we see through it. So the code is look like this. So what will done if I run the code, the GUI, uh, it will show us a picture. So the picture is it will look like this. So the picture, but the actual graph is this, and after differentiation that will be this. So actual graph, the value is here. So after differentiation we will see the graph like this. So we will move on to the next topic, which is graphical use of a user interface, GUI. So for that we will set up all the things. So it will be in the lab sheet also, so I will skip that part as I have saved all the things. So if you want also seeing this, so for that we have to write GUI ID. So after running that, we'll have a window. And this is this as now. So after this we have to take this as blank. So okay, then after that we have to open that. It will be open like this, and now we have to select. So now by clicking preferences, if we show names in component, component, palette, apply, okay. So we will get these buttons. So now so now I have to take a panel. Panel will be look like, see, look like this. So now we have to give a name to this. So now if I double click the panel, it will create a window like this. So I have to change the name, title, and the title will be, will in the title, and it will be like this. So what will be this? Specify time variable t. Okay, then the name will be changed like this, the specified time variable t. If I get this, okay, I have to reposition it. So now I have to change the font size. The font will be 12. Font size will be 12, as now I have to change it. 12 with 12. So now it's bigger. So then what we have to do? So now we have to take free static text. So it will be like this, like that. Sorry, have to be accurate. It's down. So there and there. So if I reposition it by like this, or this and this, so I have to take now free text. So it will be like this, like this, and like this. So let's see, we have to reposition them. So now it's look better. Thing is, so what we tell next to do? So here we have told that we have to change the names of them. So what will be the name? The name will be start, increment, and end. So it will be start, increment, and end. So now we will change it by this will be like start, okay, then this will be like this. So increment, will be So now what we have to do, so we'll have to take another panel. So we'll have to change this also by hitting blank. This will be like this. Sorry, it will be like this. So we just create them. So now we have to take another panel. So that will be like panel like this. So it will be like here. Yes, we have less space, so we have to do that. So now we have to change the name of this by telling that the it will be the type the equation type the equation. The font size will be 12, so it will be like this. Sorry, done wrong. That just make its title. So we have to read it blank, and now we have to add a static text here. So what will be this? Create the size bigger, so it will be like this, and the text will be type the equation. Type the equation. Okay. So we'll have to figure the font size 12. So for making rooms, I just edit it little bit. So what we gonna do now? We will make this blank as given in our lecture slide. So what we have to do is change that name. We have to add a text here. Text like this. Double click it. Change the string. Okay. If someone write here, the version will be 12. So for betterment, we just edit it little bit. So for betterment, just edit. So now the next task is, so as now we have to add text, the push button here. Okay, so making room, I will change these things to upper ground, so it will be like this, like something like this, and this, like this. So thing is, if we add a push button here, which will be named as next. Next. So for better view, I will change the font size, which is 12, and this will look like this. So I have to add some codes here. So for adding the codes, I have to go to the it's called the callbacks. The callback. Now I have to save it to the here. So I will, as I am using the equation, so I will named it after equation. Equation, and I will save it. So here you will see two files that will one will be like with the two files. Where are the two files? The two files are here, the equation fig and for the m, equation m. So for using the uh, next button which we add, push button, the function push button one callback, here we will do some codes. So I have to type the code. The code are given here, which is st equals to str2 num get handle dot edit 1 comma the starting of string. So it will be like this. So the next line is c equals to str2 num get handle dot edit to string, which is like I have to now the third line, right? The third line goes to str2 num, the same again, the get handles dot edit 4 edit 3 with string. So the code is almost done. So I have to write the next one is t is equals to st increment, start increment and ending. Then it will y equals to evaluate get handles dot edit for string. Then I have to plot the figure 1. Figure 1 plot is ty, and then title is string actual graph. Then next x is equals to zeros, ZROS zeros, 1, t minus 1 there. So then I have to write the loop, for loop, which is for I is equals to 1 length t minus 1, then x is 1 I with equals to y 1 I plus 1 minus y by increment, then it will be n. Then we have to t1 equals to start increment and ending minus increment, so now figure for this two plot is t1 x and title is after differentiation. After differentiation, then this is the thing. So our code is done. So now we will run it. So I saved it, named equation. Sorry, column 11, use of reverse keyword end. So I have a problem in the code. Let's figure it out. So the problem was here, the in. So we run it again. So the thing is, it will pop up the window of our this. So the graphical interface. So we'll insert the values. The start will be 0, the increment will be 0.001, and the ending will be 2. So if we write the equation sine 2 into pi into t, then after clicking the next, there is a problem. We have to figure it out. So if we run the code equation, so the box will be this, and at the increment number 0.001 to 2, and sine 2 into pi into t, where I will show that actual graph is this, and the second graph will be after differentiation. So we'll see. So if we write the value equation, value, we write equation. So then there will be a box, so we have to put the 0.001. The equation will be t to the power 2 plus t plus 1. So it will be like, the graph will be like, the graph is evaluating. So that's it. The ending of the tutorial or the lab sheet.